Hello friends, welcome back in this session. So in this session we are going to understand how we can push a Docker image into JFrog Artifactory, how we can configure the Docker repository on the JFrog Artifactory. So let's have a look what things we are covering in this particular session. So we will play around the Docker images which basically we get from the Docker Hub, and the post that we will check the JFrog Docker registry, how we can create the Docker registry, and how we can set up the Docker repository also. Post that we will see the three basic main command which basically used for the pushing the Docker image from our local system to the JFrog Docker repository. So that is the login part, second is the image tagging part, and the third is the Docker image push. So let's move to the JFrog Artifactory server, where we can first configure the JFrog repository, then we will try to understand what are different commands which we'll have to use. So I have come to my JFrog Artifactory server, and in the server portion we get the two part, one is application and second the administrator. In an administrator group we find the repository, and here we will going to create the new repository with a new local repository command. So once you create the new repository, it will ask your repository type, so which kind of package management tool you want to use. So here you will find the different package, that's Alpine, SAP, Coron, Debian, Docker. So we will use here the Docker as a repository type. Here I am giving the Docker local name. So here you can find the different layout for your repository, how you want to look for your layout. We will just take the default one, and here you can find the what kind of Docker version if you want to configure. Here you can see if you want to change your Docker version API version v1 or v2, you can change here. And if you want to make the specific include or exclude part using the special pattern, you can use here. So I'm just configure here, so Docker local part. So this is the Docker local repository will be going to configure here, and it's configured successfully, you can see here. Now you can find it will give the sum of command which basically used to log in JFrog Artifactory, the pulling the Docker image from the Docker Hub. Then we are just doing the tagging and how we can push to the JFrog repository. So we are going to the all these commands. Let's go to the Artifactory repository. Here in a package, in artifact, you will find here the Docker local repository, and here you will find the set me up command. So here you will find the set me up command. Here all command you will find here. So first we basically used login portion for Docker command. So in the server where you want to push your Docker image from your server to the JFrog Artifactory server, first you have to set the credential for your server. So here it will give the uh, a JSON file where you have to configure at the docker config.json file. So let's go to the my console where we have installed our Docker repository. So let me open the file where we have to configure config.json. So here you have to paste the this JSON portion which basically use the authentication part, and without this you want to do directly authentication automatically, you have to pass manually. If you didn't configure here, it will prompt you the username password. So since we have configured here the authentication part, let me copy the login part here, and I'm just logging here in my repository. So here you can see it's a login successfully, authenticate successful. Okay, now let's see the Docker images available here. So here these images are available. Let me pull one new image, docker pull CentOS. So this will pull the CentOS image from the Docker Hub registry. Now we got the CentOS. Let's see the images here. So here we got the CentOS latest image. You can see this latest image. Now we'll take the second command for the tagging part, and I'm just pasting here. Okay, so we have taken the CentOS image with the latest tag. If you want to change tag, you can simply change tag here. Which image you want to tag. This is CentOS latest. So my tagging part is done. Now I want to push my image repository to the JFrog Artifactory. So which image you want to push? You want to push the CentOS latest. So before push, let's go back to see what are in our repository. So there is nothing, it's a blank. Let me enter here. So this will start pulling push to the specific Artifactory server. So it started here. You can see here it's pushing the image. So my image has been pushed. Let's see. Let me refresh here. Okay, so we got the CentOS image here. So we got successfully post image. So there are some more command which basically use for the image pool also. So it is the same as we are using the push. Simple, you have to pass the image name CentOS and the tag. So which image you want to post. So it is already there, that's why it's saying the up to date. But you can pull and push from your local system to the Artifactory server using this command. You can use the curl command also, but this is the best way where you have to take the minimum steps to push your image to your Artifactory server. So in next session, we will going to configure the same configuration part to pushing image from the Jenkins, where we are building our image using the microservice and pushing that image to the uh, hub.docker.com. So we will push the same image to the JFrog Artifactory. So continue to learn and see my next video with Jenkins, how we can push the image to the JFrog Artifactory.